In this block, we will see how to make a fade in and fade out animation in Flutter. So here we are considering an image here, a sample image we going to add in the login screen. So we need to specify the image in the assets in the pubspec file. So and here you can also see we are specifying a plugin animations and the version is 1.1.2 here. So in this particular tutorial we are going to look at fade in and fade out animation, and there are more animations available in this plugin and we will see them in the coming tutorials. So now let us go through the code. So here inside the main file we have initialized the void main, and here we have considered the default class my app, which is extending a stateless widget here. So we are returning a material app inside which we have considered another class my home page, which is extending a stateful widget here. So we have created a state for it, and here you can see we are providing a validation also. So in this particular login field we have provided two fields here, email and password, and also an image field and a submit button. So when the user enters the email and password, he can tap on the submit button and these two fields are properly verified. So here we have also provided a validation here. So if the user email contains at the rate, then it is validated. So in this particular tutorial I have provided a sample topic. I have provided a sample validation, but we will be doing a complete validations in another tutorial where I will be showing you how to make an email validation, a password validation and phone number validation, and all the different validations available in a form. We have designed these fields separately in a widget file. So here you can see we have designed an image field and email field and password field, also a submit button. So we are directly specifying those fields in our column here, and here you can see the output. So this is the output of the file which we have designed now. So let us try to see how the animation works here. So here when the user enters into the screen, so here you can see a button here, a floating button. When you tap on the button, the widget, the container is loaded here. So we have provided the animation to this particular container so that the container fade in and fade out when you tap on the button appropriately. So here you can specify the visible opacity here. So I have specified 1.0, and here the duration also we have specified 500 milliseconds here. So you can also increase the duration here and try. So now we have provided 4500 milliseconds, and just try to observe how slowly the animation is occurring, and the same vice versa. And here these are all the simple parameters we have used: the width of the container, the height of the container, and here the form here for specifying a login form here we have used. So these are all the sample things we have seen in the previous tutorials on the login form. So the main aim of this tutorial is to make a fade in and fade out animation. So you might use this animation on different widgets you use in your application. For example, like in your splash screen to load an image, you can also use this particular animation. So we have also provided a tutorial on splash screen in Flutter. The link is provided in the description section below. So if you are facing any issues in the implementation, do let me know in the comment section below, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. So if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.